Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it's going to be a super short and simple video. I'm going to show you how I make my everyday protein shake. This is super simple, super easy, and it's just how I like to get in all my delicious nutrients as well as my protein all in a shake. This is also fairly low calorie, so if you're trying to bulk or if you're trying to gain weight, I would say that you can add some oats to it, rolled oats, steel cut oats. Those are all great options for you to take. Alright, so we're going to go ahead with the ingredient list now. I'm just going to walk you through what I add in there. Alright, so the first thing I add, of course, is my protein powder. So I keep switching up my protein powders because I like to try different ones since I'm vegan. There are a lot of new brands that keep coming up with different flavors, different nutrients, different versions of their protein powders. So I try to get my hands on different ones just to keep it fresh. So right now I'm using this chocolate flavored protein powder from Body First, and that's what I'm going to be using in my shake. I'm going to add about 1.5 scoops in there, so that's going to be the main ingredient, of course, in my protein shake. Then I'm going to add some almond milk. You can swap this for soy milk, any non-dairy milk, or even cold water if you prefer that. So that's completely up to you. Then I'm going to add a little bit of wheatgrass powder, and this is just dehydrated wheatgrass, which is then been powdered down, and this is from the Trisara Organics, and I'm going to be using their wheatgrass powder. You can go ahead and add any superfood powder or any kind of Ayurvedic powder that is certified and safe for you to consume, and make sure it's good for you to consume. It's the right thing for you to consume, and you can add that into your protein shake as well. Then I'm going to add about 3 grams of creatine, and I'm using this creatine monohydrate, which is safe for vegans to consume from Fasten Up, and that's what's going to go into my protein shake as well. I'm also going to add a banana just because I like my protein shake a little extra sweet, and it also gives me the delicious, nutritious banana goodness in there. Of course, it's high in potassium, all the good nutrients, all the good minerals, so banana is going to go in there as well. Then finally, I'm going to add a little bit of cold water as well, and that's going to be my protein shake. So now let's go ahead and put it all together. Alright, so now let's go ahead and blend it. Alright, and it's ready to pour. So I have my glass container here, my glass protein shake jar, and I'm just going to transfer it into that. And that's it. It's so simple to make, it's really filling, and it has so much protein in there, so it's really good for you if you're on the go and you want to get that protein in to meet your daily intake of protein. Right, so let me know guys what you want me to make next or see me do next, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hope you guys had fun making my go-to protein shake with me. See you!